Hi, I'm Jody, an employee owner with Cisco-Eagle. Welcome to Shoptalk.
Conveyor specification starts with defining the load, the item you're conveying. When the type, size, materials, weight, and other characteristics are fully specified, the conveyor will perform better. Getting the load right means you'll get the conveyor right. Load definition starts with shape and construction. Usually the first question is, what are you conveying? Is it a pallet, a carton? Could it be rolls of paper, construction materials, or fabric? Is it a bag, drum, or envelope? Whatever it is, it must be defined. Every load has a unique footprint, the surface that sits on the conveyor. Defining this helps specify the type of conveyor you need. Some loads require rollers, while others call for flat belts, carriers, or skate wheels. If you're conveying a pallet, what type? What condition is it in? Which direction do the runners go? Boxes are a common load in many order fulfillment conveyor applications. Are your boxes staple sticking out? Is the bottom soggy, torn, or flimsy? With a bag or envelope, how does it rest on the conveyor? Is it sealed or open? If you're conveying a container or tote, does it have feet? Is the bottom full-faced and flat? Or is it a different shape? Your next consideration is dimensions, the width, height, and length of the load. You'll need to know both the overall and footprint sizes. Your conveyor should be designed for the largest load that it will handle. Be sure to consider any future loads or new SKUs when you define your dimensions. Load, weight, and balance are critical. Weight dictates the system's capacity and speed. It also affects conveyor type, sorting, transfer, and accumulation design decisions. If the load isn't balanced, how will it sit on the conveyor? Like dimensions, your conveyor should be specified for the heaviest anticipated load. When you thoroughly profile your loads, you'll ensure a smooth, reliable, and efficient conveyor solution. You'll avoid mistakes, unnecessary maintenance, and replacement costs in the future.
Thanks for watching Shop Talk. Give us a call or visit Cisco-Eagle.com for more information.